Before I continue discussing the markets, please take this moment now with helping me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click subscribe, click this bell, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Next, click the thumbs up button every time you watch my videos. Okay, let's continue with the view of the markets. It's Saturday, March 13th. The month is almost half over. Let's look at the S&P 500 sectors to identify what is leadership and what is poor performance. We'll start off with the year-to-date time frame and weekly candles. So again, on the far left is the first week of the year, and each candle is a week. Let's look at the equity indexes first. Identify as well leadership and poor performance. S&P 500 year-to-date this week made an all-time new high. That's leadership. Nasdaq 100 is near the all-time low. That's poor performance. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, leadership, made an all-time new high for the year. Russell 2000, all-time new high for the year, leadership. Dow Transports, also all-time new high for the year, leadership. And the Dow Utilities, nope, it's not in leadership. So what used to be the best stock index the past years is the worst performing this year. The Nasdaq 100, heavily weighted in tech stocks, where the Dow Jones Industrial Average is only 30 companies, but the 30 largest publicly traded companies in the United States. And this index here, the S&P 500, is made up of these several smaller indexes: the Nasdaq 100, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the Dow Transport, and the Dow Utility, and the S&P 100. Those indexes are inside the S&P 500. So what's bringing this down, not being rising faster, is the poor performance of this, the Nasdaq 100. Let's go look at the sectors now. In the S&P 500, there's 11 sectors. In the 11 sectors, I'll give you some information. The one that weighs the most has the largest percentage move, or percentage of the index, is this XLK, X-ray Lima Kilo, and makes up 20.8% of the S&P 500. Where the XLB down here makes up only 2.5% of the S&P 500. So big difference. Okay. XLK is not leadership. It's near the low of the year. It's poor performing. This used to be leadership past year. XLV as well. It's not leadership, poor performing. XLF, all-time high for the year, outstanding. This is leadership. Look at this, week after week. Higher highs, higher lows, each one closing green. That's leadership. XLY, poor performing. XLC, leadership, all-time new high for the year, outstanding. Broke out of this consolidation area. X Lima India, also all-time high for the year, outstanding. X-ray Lima Papa, poor performing. Here's the all-time high for the year, where that yellow horizontal line is, and we have not broken it yet. X-ray Lima Echo, all-time high for the year. X-ray Lima Uniform, not leadership. X-ray Lima Romeo Echo, all-time high for the new year, but there's better ones than this one. X-ray Lima Bravo, all-time high for the year. So there we go. The takeaway here is some of the best ones in the first row. Look at this. XOF, the second row, X-ray Lima Charlie, X-ray Lima India, X-ray Lima Echo. Yeah, so several of them have hit all-time new highs for the year, and some of them are poor performance near their lows. Have you heard of the FANG stocks? The FANG stocks. Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google. What about the performance of them? They're the most widely traded stocks. FANG Plus stocks. The most widely traded stocks, the ones that make up the largest percentage weighted in the stock indexes. We look at them also year to date. This is the first week of the year. Each candle is a week. And look at that. Apple, all-time new low for the year. Poor performing, outstanding, not poor performer. It's not leadership. Microsoft, it's not leadership. Way off its high. Amazon, near its low for the year, not good. Facebook, not leadership, not good. Google, it's struggling. Tesla, near its all-time low for the year. November Victor Delta Alpha, new low for the year. Bad child. November Foxtrot Lima Charlie, yeah, almost near the low of the year. Here's the low of the year, and it's heading that way. Not good. Bravo Alpha. Also, the trend is down, heading closer to its all-time low. So what is here of these high tech, if any, that are hitting new highs for the year? I don't see any of them. Most of them are underperforming. They're not leadership. No, there's other stocks to choose from that are better than these. So if you want to go a little bit further to look, where else can we look? I had to be very clear. When you look at other stock sectors, other financial instruments, what was some leadership past year? Software, semiconductors. Yes, semiconductors used to be leadership. And let's look at some of them. Here's one. Intel, India, November, Tango, Charlie. It has not even taken out the high of last year yet. No, not good. Pulling back. Alpha, Sierra, Mike, Lima, pulling back. Alpha, Victor, Golf, Oscar, pulling back, declining. And let's just look at one more on the semiconductors. Semiconductors used to be hot last year. Romeo, November, Golf, trending down, not good, way off its highs. Charlie, Oscar, Uniform, Papa, way off its highs. Here's another way off its high. Well, these software. Look at Lyft. Lyft is leadership, outstanding. Let's just put an Uber here. Just get a little idea. Oops, wrong one. Okay. Remember what leadership is compared to the other ones. Big difference. Big difference. Big difference. What used to be leadership and now. So comment below if you have any suggestions or if you like what I talked about. As well as click the like below. Thank you. If you like this market information I've shared and want to learn more with greater detail, step-by-step training, I have a Patreon page. I share trade ideas for earning monthly income. Below in the description box, click Show More. Scroll down. This link here, click on it. Take you here to my Patreon page. Select the membership and join. Then you have access to unlock my posts.